G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the caramel Irish coffee. So let's get started. First thing you need to do is find a glass. Normally this is served in like a little coffee glass with a handle, but today we're going to use one of our crystal wine glasses because we think it's going to look absolutely stunning once it's done. So first thing you're going to need to do is grab your whiskey, Irish whiskey. We're going to pour 30 mils into the glass. $30 mils of Baileys. $30 mils of white cream liqueur. $60 mils of fresh coffee. And then we're just going to give that a quick little stir down. There we go. Now we're going to top up with some fresh cream. If I can make it work. Oi, there we go. And last piece is the caramel syrup across the top. And there you have the caramel Irish coffee. Enjoy.